Hey guys, so I don't make a lot of videos, because that's not into videos, but whatever, I'm making one today because I had a battery issue with my Google Pixel, first gen, with the battery not holding a charge anymore. Probably holds about 6 hours before I gotta charge it again. Doesn't make it through the whole day, and I did pay for their insurance through Assurant, and that's about to expire, so I was like, well, I better make a claim. So I did, and they sent me a replacement here, and I went to open it. It's a refurbished phone, and it says that somewhere on here, but there's nothing in here really. Wipey cloth and a SIM tool. But the thing is, it doesn't turn on. So I can hold the power button. Nothing. Maybe I'm gonna unwrap it. So I'll hold the power button. Nothing. Even if I hold power and volume down. Nothing. No lights blink. Nada. And you might think, oh, well, it just needs to be charged. It's not a big deal. The problem is that when phones are shipped from the manufacturer, they're stored around 50% battery life, and that's ideal for the batteries in these phones. And when stored in the correct temperature, they'll only lose like 2 to 6% battery life over a year. So even if this phone wasn't refurbished and was a brand new Pixel that was stored at the time that I bought mine when it came out, it should still have 30 to 40 battery percent left. So either this is completely dead or it's defective in some way. My issue with that is that if it's been sorted correctly, how do I know that the battery is going to be good when it hasn't been stored correctly, such that it's completely dead? That gives me the idea that Assurant just has a bunch of these and stores them in a hot-ass warehouse for who knows how long. So I called them about it. Conveniently, their policy will not allow you to exchange your replacement device unless you've attempted to charge it. So I'm effectively paying $80 to replace my phone with a failing battery, potentially with a phone that will have the same problem. So I have a factory charger here, and I'm going to plug it in, and you'll see, well, there was a little red light there, one bleep, and we have 0% battery, and that's showing up yellow, but it's really red on the screen. This battery is in fact completely dead. There's no reason that it should have been completely dead. It should still be at least 30%, maybe 25%, enough to turn on. And it's clear that that's just how Assurant does business. That's pretty upsetting. I don't think I would buy their insurance again, knowing that. Their turnaround's pretty quick. It is hard to get a hold of a person. However, when I did call, I did speak to someone in the U.S., and I didn't have any communication issues with them. But I think that's kind of a bogus policy. Like, they intentionally improperly store their devices to save money, and they don't care that they're sending you something that might also be defective because of that. So it will boot up now. So that's that. Their convenient policy. I'm stuck with potentially another shitty phone. There you go.